Based on the situation of Lorelai Goes, if I have the opportunity to improve my genetic qualities before birth to ensure my son's safety and lessen the probability of liver cancer, as much as I want to defeat cancer to ensure Lorelai Goes' happiness, improving genetic qualities before birth sounds impossible since genet- improving genetic qualities needs thorough research of the family to know the root of the cancer. I'm personally against this form of utilitarianism, since as humans, it's important to maintain our health to support our bodies, to heal, and to prevent diseases for a better lifestyle. And we cannot control our family's lifestyles and choices. However, threading the line by playing God sounds absurd, es- especially to to improve one's genetics in the family's lifestyle. If I were in Lorelai's position as a parent, instead of improving genetic qualities before birth to ensure my son's safety, I would improve my lifestyle by changing my diet and removing harmful habits like smoking and drinking, since it would reduce the likelihood of cancer cells awakening. The history of cancer is related through the family bloodline. It's uncontrollable from the start, since relatives and family members have different lifestyles and habits. By educating them about their lifestyles and habits, it could affect the future of their health and the health of the children. Consequentialism is applicable in this scenario since if my children gets to have a happy life by improving their genetic qualities before birth, what about the million other families who lost their loved ones to cancers, diseases, and other various ways? Shouldn't they deserve to get the same treatment? However, there are arguments that technology would help the family to prevent their children to suffer from cancer. Yes, there are medicinal treatments that would destroy the cancer. However, it also needs time and money for the right treatment. But the youngest had initially had stage 1 cancer and turned to stage 4 cancer. Based on their background, they are a middle class family that doesn't have enough money for long term treatment. Consequentialism is applicable in their scenario since if if my children don't have to suffer cancer, same applies for other families. What I see from this scenario is that a grieving mother losing their children is depressing. Some families have suffered just as much as she has. But due to her and the father's history of cancer, the sickness would be genetic. However, improving genetic qualities before birth sounds implausible. We can lessen the probability of cancer cells awakening in our bodies. Another counter argument is that genetic modification is impossible since it takes a lot of money and dedication for lower probability of cancer in their kids. If technology modification were to exist, it should be accessible for people to prevent future deaths, since there should be an equip, equipable like a like a equal distribution for the distributions of these medicines. For these reasons, even though the genetic improvement may appear beneficial to reduce suffering, I believe protecting human dignity, equality, and acceptance of all lives is more important. As humans, it's our responsibility to take care of our health and bodies for a better future. For these reasons, while I sympathize with Lorelai Ghost scenario, improving genetic qualities before birth sounds impossible, especially with advanced medical technology, since it's inaccessible for most middle class citizens. If I were to focus to improve my lifestyle and habits, we could lessen the probability of cancers for future generations. However, as human beings, it's important we can't improve our genetics to prevent the future diseases through wealth and technology. Since middle class citizens don't have the enough money and luxury but to do so. However, it's important to improve our health by eating less and stopping to drink and stop to smoke since it will help to prevent cancer, and since it's a realistic method to prevent cancer growing in our bodies, but it's not our role to play God just to improve our family's health.